Do you want to learn how to draw a figure like that with Python Turtle? So if the answer is yes, today in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly that. So what is up everyone, welcome back to our channel Inside Python, and welcome back to actually the fourth episode of our Python Turtle series. So on the previous video we learned about how to draw a hexagon spiral. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to draw a spiral based on squares. Okay, so this is a very interesting tutorial, and it'll get more interesting in the upcoming videos. So now before I move on to the coding and all that, first of all I want you all to follow us on our Instagram page as Inside Python or inside_python, and also subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the notifications by pressing that bell icon. So now I'm here on my directory. I've created a file as turtle4.py for our coding. I just opened it up here. Okay, so sorry for that. Just let's see. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to import the turtle module. That's very obvious. Now we will create a pen object. So type here as pen. It is a pen class, it is a pen object as my pen. Now if you don't know pen, then let me tell you that pen is very similar to the turtle, except for that turtle being coming up on that screen. So now create a screen over here, turtle.screen. Now this is really not necessary over here, but still we are creating here. So background color according to your need, I am just taking black for more elegancy. Now we will set some speed and other options. Now since I'm in a hurry for this video, because I don't want it to be too long for you guys, so I'm setting the speed very high. So color, then I will add here -200. Now the speed goes higher in the negative direction and goes slower in the positive direction. Now that is the thing that you want to do, keep in mind. Sorry, I just wrote here color, it is speed. Okay, I just set the speed. Now I also want to set the color for it. The default is black. Black on black can't be seen, so I'm just writing here white. Okay, so I think that would be enough. Now we want to take some variables over here. So we need a side. So I think we should take the side as 1, and then we will start on with our loop. Okay, so for I in range, now if I write here 1, suppose 360, so 360 are the number of squares that will be drawn. Okay, so now that being said, let's draw it. So my pen dot forward, we will move it forward, say forward to side. Okay, the side variable over here. Okay, now we have to turn it left or right something, so I think I should turn it left. Okay, so my pen dot left, left to a 90 degrees. So now this angle will decide how will our shape look. So we will modify this angle later. Till now the default angle or the standard square angle should be taken. Sorry for that. So now we have to keep increasing the side. Okay, so we will increase the side by 7, or let's say 5. Okay, and we also have to increase the width of the pen, otherwise it won't be interesting. So I will take the width as I divided by 100 plus 1. Okay, so I divided the I by plus 100. Now I is a dynamic variable, it's not static, it will have varying values across the loop. So now the loop has been done. So now let's write turtle.listen, so that our screen doesn't go out while the program has finished. So turtle.main loop. Okay, now let's try to run it. So let me clear all that. Python 3, and the name is turtle4.py. Now let's try to run it. So as you can see, it is just drawing a square over and over and over. It is not a pattern that we saw previously. So to do that, we need to either decrease the angle or increase the angle. So first we will start by decreasing the angle. So let's decrease it to say 85. Okay, and now let's try to run it. Now let's try to run it. Turtle4.py. As you can see, it is again not the same pattern that we did. It is something like a flower, but it's not that pattern that we saw. Okay, so to do that, I have increased the angle. Okay, so if I write here 92, just 2 degrees more than the original angle, then I will come up with that shape. So you see, now it is that shape. So it is a spiral being drawn over and over and over again. Now I know that you like this video, so please hit like. No, the video is not over yet. Now in the next video we're going to be learning how to draw a spiral based on a triangle, which is far more interesting than these two type of spirals. And if you like such more videos like on turtle, or if you want to create an Instagram bot, the links are down in the description and the videos are popping out on the screen. You can see a video from that, and also subscribe to our channel for more of such content. And thanks for watching our video.